Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to delete a photo from Facebook on iPhone. Put likes. Watch the video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, go to Facebook. Further in the lower right corner, open the menu. Appear our account. Click here. Here we scroll through. There's Post, Photos, Reels. Click Photos. Our photos appear. Select the photo we want to delete. In the upper right corner, click on the three dots. Click on Delete Photo. And here we read carefully. If you want to delete a photo, it will also be removed from your post. If you agree with it, you click Delete, and then your photo will be deleted. You can also delete the photo from your posts. To do that, go out and click on your profile. Scroll down in here if you have a photo. You can also click here, and then you can click Delete here. First hide it and then delete it. That's how easy you can do it. But if you liked and helped this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.